Hello, students. Yesterday, we have covered the half of the chapter from your Beehive English textbook, that is the fun they had. And today, we are going to have the continuation done with the rest of the chapter. Before we proceed, just we will look out what did we do yesterday. The fun they had, the chapter written by Isaac Asimov. I told you that there are two characters, that is Margie and one is Tommy, and they had a mechanical teacher wherein they both used to learn through that. And one day what happens is Tommy finds a real book, and Margie and Tommy start reading that old real book, which was very old and crinkly, where their grandfathers used to use that book in their schools. Margie did not go to school as their grandfathers used to go. Her school was next to her bedroom and she used to always hate to go to school. Here you can see Margie sitting in her school, that is the room which is next to her bedroom, and her mechanical teacher, and she is learning through that. One day it so happens that Margie's mechanical teacher starts giving problem because it was not adjusted according to her age, and her mother sends for the county inspector, and the county inspector with a red face comes with a box of tools, and Margie wishes that he takes away the mechanical teacher along with him so that she can get a sigh of relief. But he repairs that in front of her and he adjusts it in such a way that it gets adjusted according to her age. And he told he tells Margie's mother that Margie was not at a fault. In fact, the geography sector had been geared it in a too quick way. So he had slowed it down and Margie would make a satisfactory progress henceforth. Now, how the homework was done. Now, the homework which is given to you people is being checked by your physical teacher. That is the teacher who teaches you the various subjects. She checks, she puts grades, she puts some remarks or some stars, good, very good. All these things are done when you show your homework. And if the homework is not done on time, at times even the teachers give you all some kind of punishment. But Margie's school was not having any such kind of thing. She had to do all her homework alone with her mechanical teacher. She had to do her homework and her test papers inserting in the slot. Now, what is a slot? Slot is nothing but it is a opening wherein you just have to put inside that the writings, and you have a punch code wherein you just have to type that punch code and insert it in that slot, and automatically you the result has been displayed on the screen. You must be knowing the OMR sheets wherein you answer all the competitive exams. So what is done for that OMR sheet? You don't have to write anything. You just have to just uh, bubble the circles. And what is exactly done is that those papers are put it into a machine so that it has been scanned, with a punch code, and then you get the result. The same way, Margie's school also had a procedure of writing it, inserting it into the slot, and pressing a punch code so that she gets the result for the test papers and her homework gets corrected. Now, Tommy said that their ancestors learned in the old schools, and then she was amazed to learn that schools were situated in far off buildings where the kids would go, teachers would teach them, they would mingle with the students, they would share with them. All these things were done into the old schools, that is a building which was told as it was a school. And she was told that teachers, unlike the mechanical ones, lived in their own houses. Margie started thinking about the old schools. She started admiring, she started imagining how would the old school be. Now here you can see what, that the school is having a building, that is a building sort which is the building which is made and named as school. You all people come there, learn there, gain knowledge, okay, under one roof. Then what do you do? Here you can see the school building. Here the children sitting together, discussing something, learning together. Here the physical teacher who's standing and explaining about the concept of the lesson to the entire class. And then what do? You go to the ground, you play, you happily enjoy, you share so many things. So this was what the fun they had, that is at the time of their grandparents, wherein they used to go to school and have all this done. But Margi was totally unaware of it. She was kept out of it because she had the mechanical teacher whom she had to think as the mechanical teacher only is the whole and soul, and she was learning what was being instructed through that mechanical teacher. Now, Margi's mother, Mrs. Jones, she says that Margi has to go to school every day. She shouldn't miss any day without going to school, because it was already told to you that Margi hated school. She did not like to go to school. Now, what would be her feelings? She did not write any type of homework, as I told you. She did not do any kind of writing work, or neither the teacher used to correct everything. As I told you, was she used to put all the homework into the slot sort of, and then it was been corrected. And the teachers earlier were not machines, they were people, they were machine, they were persons. The mechanical teacher was just flashing on the screen the fractions of question, but Margi continued to think of old schools and the kids and the fun they had. The mechanical teacher was giving her hints for the next class, for the next subject, but she went into some deep imagination. She started thinking about the old school, how the people enjoyed, what all they did. And then she started thinking about all that, the fun they had, and she started feeling very sad and lonely. So this was Margi's feeling about the schools, what she compared to her school and the old type of schools. So this is the end of the chapter. So here children, one important message we get. What is a message we get from this lesson? Here, the fun they had presents the view of the future, when the system of education will be completely mechanized, that is completely changed, technically based. The writer, who is cautious of deficiency of the present system of education, wants us to realize that it is not necessary that the present system of education should be discarded. Real schools and real teachers have their own importance. Mechanical teachers and telebooks cannot be a good substitute for them. This is what is conveyed by Margi's sense of sadness and loneliness as she thinks about the old times when kids would go to school together, learn together from real humans, and have lot of fun. So this made Margi very sad, thinking about the old type of schools and the fun they had, because she did not have any kind of fun going to her school, because the school was in her home next to her bedroom, and her teacher was not a human being, it was a mechanical teacher, it was a machine. So she missed all these things. So this is what the lesson tells us about the education system. Now here is a mind map which gives you a brief picture about the lesson. I want you to just go through this and try to draw this in your notebook, so that you get a clear picture of what the lesson is about. Got it? So you have to draw this in your notebook. And you have one important thing, that is the activity which you have to make. Now, what is the activity you have to make it? This is a compulsory activity which every student has to prepare. You have to make a robot. Now you can see a robot on the screen here. This I have made a robot for you people, okay, and I have just pasted here. So what you need to do is, you have to make a robot, and you have to make the best out of waste. Now these things I have taken best out of waste only. The waste boxes, what you have, small small boxes at home, you can take those empty boxes, you can cover it them with some glossy paper or maybe some colorful papers. Okay, this is a big box compared to this small one. This is the face, this is the body. And if you can just paste one white paper on this and do all these colorful buttons, okay, that would look really attractive. For the buttons, you can use small small buttons if you have it, or you can just draw and color it. And these are the legs of the robot, wherein I've used the longer boxes of your medicine tubes which you get it. Okay, you can take use of that Colgate or something like that, you will be having at home. So these are all the waste things which you keep it at home and you can utilize it. And these are the waste pipes which I have used as a hand of the robot. So these are the things required to make a robot. You have to make it, and when the school starts, you need to bring it to school for your assessment. Each student has to come with the activity, and after making it, your robot is going to look something like this, or maybe attractive than this also. Okay, so this is the activity for this lesson, and I hope all the children will do this activity in a very good manner. Okay, so this is the end of your chapter, children. So see you in the next class. Thank you.